Hello students, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss a very important question taken from simple harmonic motion. This question asked in JMN 2003. The length of a simple pendulum executing simple harmonic motion is increased by 21%. Length increased by 21%. The percentage increase in the time period of the pendulum of each increased length is 11%, 21%, 42%, 10%. Okay. Now T equal to 2 pi root under L divided by G. 2 pi and G are constants. Only L changes, so time period also changes. T directly proportional to root under L. Now length increase, so time period also increase. Correct? We have to calculate percentage increase in the time period. So now percentage increase in time period T dash minus T divided by T, correct, into 100 into 100%. This is percentage increase in time period. This is percentage increase in time period, correct? Okay. Now this is L dash according to question. L dash length increases by 21%, means that L plus 21% of L. 21% increase in the length. So we can write L plus 21% of L. So here L plus 21 into L divided by 100. So 1.21 into L, correct? Any doubt? No. So T directly proportional root under L, so we can write T is equal to K, a constant root under L. Again, T dash directly proportional root under L dash, so we can write T dash is equal to K and root under L dash. L dash means that 1.21 into L, correct? Now T dash minus T divided by T into 100 percentage equal to T dash, means that K root under 1.21 into L minus root under L and divided by again K also and K root under L, correct? We can write K root under L bracket root under 1 minus 1, sorry, this is 100% equal to K root under L and root under 1.21 minus 1 into 100% divided by K root under L. So now percentage change in T equal to, this is the root 1.1 into 1.1 minus 1 into 100%. So 0.1 into 100%. So 10%. If length increase 21%, then time period increase 10%. This is the answer. Important question. Many students asked this question in classroom. Okay. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video and like it. Thank you.